Hi friends, how are you? I'm Arhan, and today we're learning about Scorpius Rex. Let's see what the sound is. Let's press this button.
Show the button.
Hear the button. Oh wait, let's. Why is it so dirty? Oh, there we go. If you press this button, the trump action.
Is this a herbivore or carnivore?
Carnivore. It twists the tail when they kind of look like wheels on it. It swings the tail.
Can it move its legs and hands?
Yep, it does move its legs. But if you press this button, the hands move. See? The little bit claws is right here.
Oh, very sharp nails.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit like a velociraptor.
Can you show its mouth?
You bet.
Oh, scary teeth.
It looks like ugly teeth ones.
Yes.
It looks like a little bit like a boar.
It has spikes on its back
Yeah,
and tail.
It doesn't like spikes on it, but a little bit spikes on it.
Okay.
See the tail have spikes right here? They protect. This is Godzilla. Cool. See? They look like a little bit spikes.
Can it move its tail?
Yep. Oh, wait a minute. I thought he twists his tail.
Okay.
He moves his tail.
What is in its mouth?
This is a heat ray.
Oh. Is it fire coming out of the mouth?
It's not. It's crystal in this mouth. It uses legs on the body. If you press the twist the tail and twist the tail. Wait, look at the spikes on it. Look like rubbery. It's kind of rubbery.
Can you move its hands?
Yep. Gonna break. But it doesn't move the arms. Okay, look at his arms. A little bit difficult. The Godzilla have look like 6 plates on him, but it looks like a Stegosaurus. And the spikes look like a little bit like a Allosaurus, which have a battle.
Oh, they both are fighting. Let's see who will win.
Ah!
Oh, Godzilla lost its heat ray.
Yeah, let's put it back. The heat ray is coming out a little. Again. Hiya. See who can win. Let's see if he can eat the spikes on this. Ow.
Oh, Scorpius Rex won.
Yeah. The heat ray is gone. Scorpius Rex wins. Bye friends, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.